Good morning everyone. My name is Krishna Basak. I study in class first day. Today I am going to speak about healthy food and junk food. I have two plates. These are healthy food like fruits, vegetables, pulses, rice and milk. And these are junk food like chips, juice, biscuits, sweets and artificial food. Healthy food are natural food and junk food are artificial food. We should try to eat healthy food more and we should avoid eating junk food.